Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your Framer website. So this is helpful when you want visitors to purchase a product directly from your site. So first, I want you to create a product page in Framer and add a buy now button. So this button will send customers to secure a payment page where they can enter their payment details and complete the purchase. Next, choose a payment provider. You can use Stripe or any other provider that supports payment links. So in this example, we will use Stripe, but the process is usually similar on other platforms. So after creating or logging into your account, click the plus icon and select payment link. Then choose the product that you want to sell. And if the product has not been added, click add new product, enter the product name and description, upload an image, and set the price. You can also choose whether the payment is one time or recurring. And once everything is ready, click add product. And then your product will now appear in the list, and then select it and add more products to the same payment link if needed. You may also need an option for recommended products, but you can leave the other settings as default. Next, click create link, and once the payment link is generated, copy it and return to your Framer project. Select the buy now button and then find the link to the section in the right side panel and paste the payment link. So make sure the option to open the link in a new tab is enabled so the payment page does not replace your website. And finally, publish or update your Framer website and test the button. When a visitor clicks buy now, they will be taken to the payment page where they can enter their information and complete the purchase. So that is how you can add a payment method to Framer using a payment link from a provider such as Stripe or Lemon Squeezy. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.